I'm a retired radiographer. I worked at the Royal Prince Alfred Hospital for most of my working life. I was diagnosed with a melanoma on my right shoulder in August 2000. I had surgery to remove that. Each year I'd go to the melanoma clinic for checkups with a chest x-ray, which were all normal until chest x-ray number 13 in 2013 showed a mass lesion in my right side of my chest. I was then sent for further treatment, CT scans and such, which showed secondary cancers in my liver and in my right lung. I was then referred to Dr. Catriona McNeil at the Lifehouse Centre, and she offered me the chance to go on a clinical trial of this new drug coming on the scene at the time. I consider that if the drug worked or didn't work, as with all forms of trials, that it had to be tested on somebody, and I had no qualms about being tested. I considered that was my little contribution to medical research, to be the test model. And normally, if you are diagnosed with melanoma secondaries, well, you've got nothing to lose. I was given an infusion through the hand every third Friday. Initially, I'd get a bit tired, and my older brother would pick me up each time, and eventually by the year 2015 I picked up remarkably, and he didn't have to pick me up. That I give credit to those who are looking after me, from those that develop the drug right down to those who do the infusion into me. The nursing staff there were all very good at their job, all very friendly, and I'd take a few passion fruit in occasionally as a bribe. And the nurse research assistants, they've all been very good. When you work with competent people, it makes a big difference that people who do know what they're talking about, know how to express themselves and listen to you, very knowledgeable in their jobs. The treatment is fairly straightforward, no pain involved, and there's no reaction to the drug going in. You just sit in a comfortable chair, make yourself comfortable with a crossword on one arm. After about 90 minutes, the buzzer goes off, the drugs all run through, and they say, right, take it out and you go home now. In 2015, I started to improve remarkably. I could get up the hill here without having to drive up and leave my car at the top of the hill. So I'm not cured, I'm stable and under control. And the tumours in my liver and lung have been decreasing in size ever since the treatment started, and there don't appear to be any more fresh ones. So thanks to the team that's looking after me, they've kept me alive for this period. And I believe the eventual results of the clinical trial have been more than satisfactory. They can now offer people hope. The oncologists now have a tool to use to offer people a good quality of life. I can still do most of the things that I've been doing for years. I don't do all my lawns in one day anymore. I might do 1/3 one day and 1/3 another day. I turned 77 in May, so I'm quite satisfied. I've had a few more birthdays I never ever thought that I would reach.